My feet trace journeys that are never done, cross rolling terrains of gravel and stone. Outside the mire clings to my feet, though my inner stride is never complete. The path ahead is undulating, uneven, unpredictable and frustrating, like playing a losing game of chess, where obstacles check my slow progress. One day my steps will draw to a close, but when time is called no one ever knows. When I eventually hang up these boots, others are sure to follow my route. Pedestrian truths are plain to see. We must walk the walk in all honesty.